Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Covington, local and long-distance movers near me. Lack of planning causes some negative feelings associated with long-distance moving. For example, staying longer than you need involves extra expenses such as hotel or campground stays. You are also charged for the additional time and inconvenience you might experience in a moving van. With 3 Movers, you don't have to worry about these kinds of expenses because they offer moving services in all cities, so don't worry about paying additional costs. The most important thing is finding a good packing and moving company with a very trustworthy reputation when moving long distance. Experience is important when choosing long distance movers. If you're moving far away, you most likely have many questions about the move, which is why it's very important to find a reputable long distance moving company to get the answers to all your questions and concerns. We are also a local packing and moving company, and all of our local staff has many years of experience in the moving industry. You don't have to be present to do a complete inventory check of your belongings, as we perform this remotely, thus saving you time, money, and energy. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Covington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.